magsalita, kung may question ka sa akin, okay lang. Kung gusto mo ulitin yung gusto mo sabihin, okay lang. So, anytime you're ready, I'm rolling.
Hi, my name is Ralph Ernest Francia, also known as Bugs. I'm from batch 5 of CVAP. So, pre CVAP, I was in between jobs. I left my job as a trainer in a BPO company. So, I've had a lot of experience with dealing with people, pero it's it just wasn't healthy for me. It wasn't a healthy environment. So while recuperating, um, I decided to go back to what I love, which is uh, acting or voice artistry. So even way back, as long as I can remember, kahit nung bata ako, I've always been fascinated pag may mga dubbings, commercials, or anime. So I always get pumped up, um, no matter no matter the scene. Uh, I felt alive kapag um, parang kinikriticize, hindi naman kinikriticize, but parang nininitpick ko yung yung paano sinabi yung ganito mga linya. And after 2, 3 decades, here I am. So of course, slow start. We need to start from the bottom. We need to gather as much experience as we can. And I'm considering this as an investment. So I'm investing my time and effort for my passion, and hopefully everything will bear fruit. Ah, yun lang.
Um, After CVAP, ano yung mga nag-change? Like, the way you think, ano mga opportunities na pumasok?
Ah, Um, prior to CVAP, I've I've always been a quitter. So kapag ayoko na-stress ako, nahihirapan ako, sige, parang it's easy to brush that off. Pero with CVAP, or after I've been with CVAP, nandun na yung nandun na yung quote na why would you why would you start something if you're going to quit anyway? So sinimulan mo, tapusin mo. Tinapos mo, panindigan mo. So since papanindigan ko, I might as well be the best of it.
Nakapagsubok ka na ba mag-dub ng pelikula?
Um, a couple of days ago, isa lang ako para mag-dub. It's a small part, pero felt exhilarating. For the whole time na nandun ako hanggang sa makauwi ako, grabe yung kilig ko, nanginginig ako sa excitement for that just part. So it it means that much for me para makapag-dub or magawa tong ginagawa natin dito.
Anong expectation mo sa mga susunod na buwan or taon sa journey mo as a dubber or voice artist?
Of course, na-expect ko na magiging mas mahirap pa yung journey. Kasi ang lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kabatch ko, this is trial by fire. Hindi ka hindi ka gagaling kung hindi ka mahirapan. So kailangan mahirapan ka in order for you to learn something. Kasi kung madali lang lahat, ganun ka lang, hanggang doon ka lang sa level na yun. So kung hindi ka mahirapan, kung hindi ka mape-pressure, hindi ka mahuhone, hindi ka madedevelop. And with the projects, I'm expecting na with with the expansion of our group, since magkakaroon tayo ng dubbing academy, um, I'm seeing na magkakaroon ng boom sa ganitong industry, and that's what I'm hoping for. I want to see more dubbers.
Anong message mo sa mga taong parehas sa dinanan mo na nag-antay pa ng ilang dekada para lang gawin yung gusto nila?
Ah, Kokopyahin ko yung quote dun sa isang K-drama na napanood ko before. Gaya nga din ng in accordance din sinasabi ni Sir Choi na laging sinasabi sa amin, don't quit your day job. So, dun sa napanood ko, ang sabi is, kung meron kang gustong gawin, sa puso mo lang siya, kumuha ka ng trabaho kung saan magiging stable ka, but then, yung passion mo gawin mong part-time or pastime. Kasi no matter how frustrated you are dun sa trabaho mo, kahit gaano ka ma-stress dyan, nandyan yung part-time mo o yung pastime mo or your passion para i-uplift yung spirits mo. So, there would be balance. Yun lang.
Ito naman, anong final thoughts mo lang or any message na you want to put out there na wala sa questions ko or anything.
Okay. From the voice master words kanina, we don't really grow old. We only grow old because we stop doing things. So don't stop dreaming. Don't stop wanting to do things for the first time. So don't let go of that passion. Marami tayong mga workers nowadays na sinasabing mga bayani kasi they're sacrificing their passion para sa ganito, sa ganyan. Don't let go of it. Always have time to do what you want to do. Kasi at the end of the day, you make you. Yeah. Great day.